Nice to meet you. Here, there are some slides with the topic Effective Strategies to Teach Listening Skills in the Classroom, created by Dargenius Pinatovar in the course of Didactics of English in the phase number 3, Educational and Pedagogical Practice. Introduction. Listening is one of the four language skills and is essential for communication. It involves receiving, constructing, meaning from, and responding to spoken language. Importance. Why is listening important in language learning? First, is the first skill that we develop as humans. Is the first skill that we use to communicate with our environment. Second, it supports vocabulary acquisition and pronunciation. The third, it improves understanding of natural speech, reading, and intonation. That's really important to communicate something. And in fourth, good listening leads to better speaking and interaction in real life context. How to teach listening. Here we have three stages. First, pre-listening. Activate prior knowledge. Set context and purpose. Teach or review key vocabulary. For example, show a food-related image and ask to the students to guess what the conversation will be about. Second one, during listening. The student listen for gifts, general idea, or specific information. Use audio clips or videos. For example, play a restaurant dialogue and ask a student to answer questions. And the third one, post-listening. Reflect on the content. Practice using the information. For example, role play the dialogue with a partner. Teaching techniques. Effective listening techniques. Gives listening understanding the general idea. Detailed listening. Listen for specific facts or data. Role plays. Reinforcing comprehension through real-life situations. Dictogloss. Students restructure a text after listening to it. Information gap. One student has information the other needs. Predictions activities based on little untitled images. Practical activity, we can use audio clip, for example, a waiter taking an order, and the task will be a student match the order to the writing menu. And the last one, teaching resources. We find some pages where we can practice our ability. For example, ELLO.org Authentic listening with transcriptions, BBC Learning English, daily listening practice, ESL Lab, listening quizzes and vocabulary building, and breaking news English, audio news story with exercises. Sorry. And we can find some apps too. Lyrics training, we find some songs, and Duolingo listening exercises. So I think Duolingo is more common for all of us than is more common to use and easy to understand. And YouTube channels, for example, BBC Learning English and Speak English with Mr. Duncan. So thank you so much for your attention. I hope this information can help you to understand the importance of listening skill. Bye.